Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Let me also join my colleagues in congratulating the former Prime Minister, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. He's a man I worked closely with. I know he's a father. I know he's a mentor. African missed a man who had goodwill and the strength of Pan-Africanism, and a person who would have taken Africa to the next level. Mr. Speaker, also let me appreciate the President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable William Ruto, because he showed the way he took the oath. Baba was his opponent, but he took it up, he went across the globe, he hosted several heads of state, and he showed his commitment for Kenyan. Finally, I want to apologize, and please let me, this apology go on record. To the people, especially from my region, who went out celebrating when Baba lost, and I want to take this message out there to Kenyans. I want to say this, Honorable Speaker, that the Baba win or Baba going to EU, he was not going as Raila Amolo Odinga, but as a Kenyan. It was unfortunate to see people, especially from my region, going out celebrating and saying, come back so that you can go into the opposition. And we need to know that there's time for everything. There's time when people are competing, there's time for seriousness where people need to work, and we cannot politic from morning to evening. So I want to apologize to Baba, and I want to tell him we love him. Those who are a few people who are misled by an individual, and I want to take this apology and I say, Baba, we love you. Come to Kenya. We will work together. And thank you, His Excellency William Ruto, because he stood with him and he's still standing with him. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.